How to see linked devices in WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Select Linked Devices option. From here, you will be able to see all the devices linked to your WhatsApp account. For me, a Windows device using WhatsApp Web on Google Chrome is currently linked to my account. Suppose if you find any linked device to be suspicious, then single tap on that device. Then a menu will appear showing the last activity of that device. From here, you can tap Logout to end that device WhatsApp session. Doing this will increase privacy and security of your WhatsApp account. Please note that it is always important to regularly check linked devices on your account for added privacy and security. Linked devices have access to all the information in your account, including messages, photos, videos, and call histories. So make it a habit to verify and manage linked devices time to time. And boom! You have successfully learned how to see linked devices in WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.